Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ate Saxena from Craft Lab. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this awesome bookmark. So before getting into the video, I have a small challenge for you guys. So in this challenge, in 5 seconds, you guys have to like this video and subscribe and click that notification bell. So I'm going to be counting till 5. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hope you guys have all subscribed and give this video a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get into the video. What I'm going to be making is the script of the bookmark. So first we need a sheet of paper. I have taken colored sheet of paper. You can take any color you want it. I've taken blue. So we are going to be cutting out a strip of 12 by 2. So here is the cutout. This is 2 centimeter and this whole length is about 13 centimeter. I said to take out 12, but I took 1 more centimeter longer because I thought that would be good. And now we are gonna move on to the top. We have taken a small sheet of paper here, and I'm gonna be drawing a cloud on it. So we have a cloud there. I have marking this with a black marker, and now what we are gonna be doing is we are gonna be drawing a really cute face on our cloud. So there we go, we have our face. Now we are going to be taking some glue and our strip. We are going to stick our cloud. Oops. So here we go. Here's our cloud. It's all nice and sticked. And our bookmark is ready. Now you can make multiple bookmarks like this, and you can mark days, like you can write days, subjects, or any really nice quotes. This bookmark I have written I am here, so when I'm searching the page, it will be there, the cloud will be showing off, and I am here, so I can just open it. So guys, that's all for this video, and if you want to see more of this video, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends. So guys, that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and bye.